How many times do you get bored per day and start scrolling on social media? Ever thought that those dull moments could be your greatest asset? In this video, we will share an eye-opening concept. Embrace boredom. We'll unveil how boredom can actually unlock your mind's hidden potential for focus. This is hack number 2 in deep work. If you missed out the previous deep work hacks, you can check them out here. It's training day, and boredom is your gym. Here's the 6 steps mental workout plan. Step 1. Identify your boredom triggers. Understand what moments trigger your boredom. Spot them. Note them. By consciously acknowledging these triggers, you can begin to anticipate and prepare for them. Keep a journal or log of these moments as they occur. Understanding your boredom can help you tailor strategies to stay engaged. Step 2. Willpower workouts. Improving focus is like strengthening a muscle. Consistent exercise is key. Each time you feel the urge to succumb to distractions, like checking your phone or scrolling through social media, consciously choose to resist. This resistance acts as a willpower workout, gradually building your mental resilience. Over time, it becomes easier to maintain focus and push through periods of boredom. Step 3. Schedule distractions. It's hard to fight the tide of the digital age, where immediate gratification is at our fingertips. However, by scheduling specific times for distractions, you create a structure that allows for these indulgences without them overtaking your day. These preset breaks become a reward system and something to look forward to, rather than a constant tug away from your work. Step 4. Productive meditation. During times that are typically non-productive, like commuting or walking, redirect your mind from aimless thoughts or default distractions towards active problem solving. This is an excellent opportunity to think through work challenges or generate new ideas, all while engaging in what would otherwise be downtime, transforming it into a period of valuable contemplation. Step 5. Prioritize activities for deep work. To maximize the benefits of deep work, discern which tasks are worthy of your undivided attention. Consider the depth of your tasks by evaluating the cognitive effort required to achieve them. Tasks that necessitate significant expertise and creativity warrant more focus as they contribute more substantially to your professional advancement and personal growth. Step 6. Commitment to deep work. Just like any skill, you need to practice to get better at it. Make a commitment to regularly practicing deep work by applying these strategies that allow you to embrace boredom and strengthen your focus. You are now halfway done. Ready for more? In the next video, we will look at social media hack and a simple framework to help you prioritize life and work. Subscribe and see you in the next video.